Hello, greetings of the day to all the team members of the Education Expo TV. I am Dr. Raghupathan Bhimarao, a former Chief Scientist CSR IMT Bhubaneswar. Now, at present, I am Director of the Institute of Engineering Technology, Bhubaneswar. I also advisor to the Indian Rare Earths Limited, Odisha. I am a council member for a couple of professional societies. I am also a chairman of the Institute of Engineers, Institute of Metals, and I am coveted with many number of government awards and recognitions. I am having 40 years of experience in basic and applied research, especially related to mineral and metallurgical industries. I am a researcher, I am a professor, I am author, I am mentor, a research guide, and I am also an advisor to mineral industries and academic institutions. In short, to tell about my innovative research, my research led to many industries commissioned and established in different states, such as chromite ore, manganese ore, graphite ore, beach sand industries, cement industries. These are all commissioned in the state of Odisha and state of Andhra Pradesh and some other countries also. My know-how in additive and grinding has been established in Kudremukh magnetite ore, in Tamil Nadu graphite ores, in Rajasthan Volcom Group of Industries, in magnetite mineral grinding at Sweden. As a professor, I produced more than 300 publications and guided more than 20 numbers of the students. I am as a researcher produced 12 PhDs at IITs, ISM, Dhanbad, Bihar, Jharkhand, Utkal University, Odisha, SY University, Odisha, Gulbarga University, Karnataka, Karnataka University, Karnataka, Washington University, America. My projects, which are totally for metalliferous, non-metalliferous, and beach sand industries, and recovery of rare earth elements. During this research, innovative research, there was no problem to carry out any research work and publishing the research work. But the roadblock was always there when samples are collecting at the sample site. This is due to because the fear of the land will be taken by the government of India and their livelihood will be vanished from their hand. However, this problem was solved always by the intervention of the local collectors and Commissionerate of Police there itself. My sincere appeal, expectations and advices to the granted organizations like government organizations, private and public, large sectors, corporators, panchayatis, municipalities, they should sufficient research fund to carry out research work, especially to reach below poverty level people to take care of their daily needs. My present ambition to take up the project is rare earth elements from fly ash to deep sea under the earth. You know, the rare earths has tremendous demand at present due to the use in electronics such as mobiles, laptops, electronics, automobiles, as well as aircrafts. So in view of this China, government of China and government of Japan, they are trying to exploit rare earth elements from the deep sea. In such cases, why in India, why should not take out fly ash from the fly ash rare earths and utilize for our country? And this fly ash at present is being utilized for the road constructions cement industries, as well as in the agriculture land and road constructions. If you can recover the rare earths and the same go back to the country, it is not at all harmful. Rather, our economy will go up and we can flourish with bright colors. And in view of this, I request all collaborators, government organizations, private organizations, NGOs to provide sufficient fund to carry out such a beautiful research work for the benefit of the country. The Indian Institute of Engineering and Technology having a sufficient infrastructure, including research people, research team, land and building, and have sufficient strength to do innovative research and to give it to the country for the benefit of the country. My sincere appeal to all the professors, academicians, researchers, industrialists and politicians, please come forward to the same one platform as far as the research concerned for the development of the nation. I also thank the chairman of the Institute of Engineering and Technology who has given me appointment of director for the institute. Also thank to the Indian Earth Limited to appoint me as advisor for their industries. I sincerely thank all the winners of the 10th Science and Technology Awards winners of 2020-21. And thank you all. God bless you all.